Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review on this Amazon Basics 5-shelf metal shelving unit. So this retails for $70. I'm also going to do another video where I compare it to the shelving units that come from Walmart. Okay, so I got everything out of the package. These things just get thrown away. Find the 2 legs. There should be 4 legs that have these threaded parts at the end. Okay, so here all 4 of these have these threaded inserts. You're going to screw, these are the feet. So you're going to screw those feet into all 4 of those. Okay, so now we're on to this step here. Get you a bag of these. Now these have an arrow up, so you're going to wrap them around, and then you're going to get the other side and wrap it around, and it should snap into place. There is a little ledge right there that's going to snap into these grooves. Okay, so you're going to snap it on here like this. You'll kind of move it up and down until it snaps into place. Then you're going to find this one. This is going to set, now make sure you snap that in over there. So this is going to set the height of the shelf. So you're going to want these to be all the same on these 4 bottom legs. Okay, so once you've got that snapped on, you're going to slide the pole in from the bottom, and then it's going to sit, that's going to set the shelf. That's going to make the shelf very stable on that leg. Okay, so there's a little notch. The notches go down when you slide the poles through, like right here. The notch goes down. That way you know what the top of the shelf is. Okay, so I got all 4 legs set in there. Now I'm going to set the second shelf on these bottom legs. And I'm just going to repeat that process by snapping these on. Again, make sure you respect the top is pointed up. And that little lip right there is going to go into that notch right there. And you'll have to count up, so you want it on the same on all of them. And you just snap it over. And they're kind of held on there. And then when the shelf goes down, that's what holds it into place. Okay, so this other rod now you're going to stack it on top of the other one. Now this threaded piece will come out, but it should be screwed all the way in that way. Then we're going to screw it in here. And you're going to do that on all 4 of these now. So here's what it's going to look like. I got this rod screwed in. I've got 2 shelves on the bottom. It's starting to become very stable, and we're going to finish building it. Okay, so with it up, it's very stable now. And I've got the proper measurement to get all the shelves the same height. Okay, so I went 16 inches for shelf height. So all of my shelves are 16 inches, and it works out perfectly spacing. Okay, so the top shelf goes on like this. You're going to put those black things on the very top ridge right there. So the shelving unit seems very sturdy. I'm very happy with this. Thanks everybody for watching.